Hey, what are you doing?
Come here, check this out. Look what I got.
What do you have?
Oh, Soursop. Gifts from this beautiful tree. I'm so grateful.
Thank you.
We will enjoy you.
Thank you. Beautiful.
Always hug your trees. Thank you. Mwah. Thanks for the gift. If you haven't had Soursop before, it's the best fruit on earth.
Yes.
Get out of here.
Look at this massive soursop. This is so abundant.
Peace, Divine Family.
I'm Loa.
And I'm Ceremony, and welcome to High Vibe Tribe TV,
Where
our vibe meets your vibe, and we all vibe on the high vibe.
Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the Graviola fruit,
Or the Guanabana.
or what's more commonly known as the
Soursop.
Wow. Alright guys, first off, this low-calorie, high-nutrient superfruit contains vitamins B, C, magnesium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, pretty much everything the body needs to function successfully and healthfully.
Yeah. And being that it's so low in calories and high in fiber, it also keeps you full fast and you're less likely to overeat.
Yeah, good for that weight loss.
Yeah.
Soursop is also known as a cancer-fighting fruit because it contains a lot of antioxidants and anti-carcinogenics that inhibit the growth of cancer cells.
It's also good for the skin as well, and it's helpful in removing toxins from the body.
You get your Soursop in, don't you, girl? I can tell.
So you can also use the leaves to make a tea. So just boil the water and then steep your leaves in the water for about 20 to 30 minutes. And this tea is so medicinal.
Oh, and did you know, because it's so rich in antioxidants, it prevents signs of early aging and wrinkling?
What?
Yeah, that's how you stay so youthful. Yes, baby. Get it.
Another benefit of this superfruit is that it regulates blood sugar in diabetics. It lowers your blood pressure. And if you do already have low blood pressure, try not to consume too much of the Guanabana, Graviola, Soursop fruit.
Be mindful.
Yeah. It fights against fever, flu, fungal infections, parasites, any of those harmful toxic energies that try to enter in your body that cause you to be sick or feel sick. The Soursop fights it. This is the medicine. When you're feeling sick, they'll get you a Soursop. The excess mucus that's in your body, it breaks that down and it helps with your digestive system, of course. Because the mucus is where the disease is forming. So it really helps to fight that mucus.
Yes. Alright, so let's cut this baby open and show you what it looks like on the inside.
Yeah, you'll know when your Soursop, Guanabana, Graviola is ripe because it'll be really soft, it'll be brown, or it could be green with a little bit of brown, but it'll definitely be soft enough to touch where you could poke your fingers through it.
Alright, let's cut it open.
Alright.
Ooh, super juicy. Soursop.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bah. Oh yeah. I've been waiting for that. Ah, yeah, so good.
You could just peel the fruit right out of the inside. The middle is the pulp.
Huge.
This is the area. You can put it in a smoothie. You can also put this on your sores. Like every piece that you pull may have a seed in it. So just suck the seed out and eat it. And then take the seed
and
plant
it.
Plant more Soursop trees.
Oh, this is so good. Alright guys, we're gonna finish this. Thank you for watching our video.
Yes, and if you like our vibe, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.
Yes.
Everyone needs to know about the Soursop, Graviola, Guanabana fruits.
Yes. So be filled
Filled
with
with
love,
and
free from fear, and until
until
then, heal within to
to
ascend. Soursop.
Keep it juicy.